Hi guys, and welcome back to Chasing Financial Freedom. Today is the 17th of February 2021 and the market is red again. So we have the S&P losing 0.647 points, the Dow 0.11% and the Nasdaq 0.1.2%. But you are probably thinking about Tesla, NIO and the other EV stocks. And what do you think is going to happen in the following week and the following month and this year? Are we going to go higher, lower? Please tell us your comment in the section below. We go through all the comments, and you can also suggest us a video that you want us to make. So we would really appreciate if you liked the video, if you shared it, so that we can get more attention from other people, because we believe that we can give something of value to you and to the investing world. So when the markets are red, of course it is not good for our goal, which is financial freedom and financial independence. Of course, we've talked about it, that the stock market is the best vehicle to achieving that goal. So when our stocks in the EV sectors are down, of course it is something that is holding us back. So we can see that Tesla is down 2.93, so almost 3%. We can see that we have a little bit of a downtrend, even though the worst part of it is that we have still a lower low for today, which is not the best thing that could happen. But a good thing is that we have other stock as well. NIO lost 4% today, almost 5%. So we are going lower even with NIO. But it is a sectorial thing. So it is, for example, Xpeng is going down 6%. And so what does that tell us? It actually tells us that the whole EV industry is down. We've had a big run from the past until now, and now we have a red day. So nothing bad till now. And let us just look here at some good news that I have found. So in a forum we have found some interesting facts. It is normal and healthy to have some red days in the market. And if you look at NIO, here we can clearly see that something is not normal, but not that something is wrong with the stock per se, but that there are probably more sellers than buyers. But if you look at a 3-month chart, we can still see that we are still holding pretty well this line. We can see that we are going near the 50-week average, which is still okay. We are here on this line. We are still doing okay for the moment, but of course we will see what the future will hold for us. We believe that March and April will be great months for the EV sector because it is all cyclical. So here you can see that we have a really small percentage of trading volume, and so this means that it is just a little bit of selling, which is not that bad. So a number of assets management firms recently reported their positions for the fourth quarter of 2020, from which we can see some of these giant whales moved into their NIO position. Those who bought NIO are Bridgewater Associates. The world's largest hedge fund increased its holding in NIO by 391,000 shares in the fourth quarter, according to a 13F filing released on February 12. As of December 31, Bridgewater held 1,960,000 NIO shares valued at 100 million. It is also worth noting that Bridgewater continues to be bearish on Tesla, despite the fact that the stock is one of the hottest investments in 2020 with a 743% gain for the year. Bridgewater dumped its last 35% shares of Tesla in the fourth quarter, and the fund has continued to reduce its holding Tesla after buying 12,000 shares in the fourth quarter of 2019. What we didn't notice before was that Swish, the central bank's 13th filing published on February 5th, showed it held 3 million NIO at shares worth 147 million as of December 31, 2020. The central bank's position data published in late November showed that it held 2,226 NIO shares worth 47 million as of September 30. That means the Swiss National Bank increased its holding in NIO by 800,000 shares, or 35% during the fourth quarter. French bank Natixis 13F filing published on February 12 showed that it bought NIO shares for the first time in the fourth quarter. As of December 31, Natixis owned 2,410 NIO shares worth $117 million. Natixis' last 13 filing published on November 12 showed that it did not hold any NIO at shares of September 30. What does that data tell us? It tells us that big players are still in NIO and still holding their positions. Of course, when there is a red day, a bad day, it's not good for our emotional health. But if you think long term, we're going to be just fine. We're going to see NIO at the end of the year. We still expect NIO at the end of the year to be around $19 to $100, and we still believe that Tesla will be the winner, and we believe that it will reach their goal, or as we people believe that Tesla will reach $1,000 per share by the end of this year. So we have still 10 months or 9 months more to go. For the moment, we are doing okay, and we are waiting for the hit to go back to the EV stocks, because right now we can see that all the trends are towards Bitcoin and the other EV plays, even though Bitcoin is falling a little bit for the moment, just a little bit, and of course all the other stocks are, you can see right now that a lot of people, trending tickers, a lot of people are watching Tesla right now because a lot of people are scared. We have lost 100 billions in the assets, but the fallout of Tesla began when Elon Musk actually bought into Bitcoin. So shareholders are a little bit nervous about that move, and they are a little bit maybe anxious about what happened, because nobody knows what will happen with Bitcoin. Of course, we know that it is a volatile asset. Some people say that it is not a dangerous asset, but that it is volatile. So what should you do with Bitcoin? For Bitcoin, we don't invest in Bitcoin at the moment. We still prefer to invest in stocks than Bitcoin, but you never know. Maybe we will go after Bitcoin in the future. So please tell us your thought in the comments below, and until next time, we wish you great hunting for great stocks in the stock market. So hope that we gave you some good insights into what is happening, and hope to see you soon, and we really would like to hear your thoughts on that matter.